Hello developers. Today I'm really excited to share something special with you. This project has been in my to-do list for a very long time, and this weekend I didn't upload any video because I was fully focused on building this feature. But before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how Instagram or Facebook stories work so smoothly? You tap on a profile and the stories start playing one by one. You can tap to move forward, swipe to switch users, and everything feels so seamless. But behind the scenes, there's a lot of logic managing autoplay, user interactions, and smooth transitions. And that's exactly what we're going to build today. I have created a fully dynamic story viewer using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript powered by swiper.js. And trust me, this is not a simple image slider. There's a lot more happening here. First, all the slides are dynamic, which means you can add as many stories as you want without modifying the logic. Just update the content, and everything adjusts automatically. Clicking on a user's avatar will open their stories, starting from the first slide. And the best part? The stories play automatically, and we can even set a default duration for each one. Now, what if you want to navigate manually? That's covered too. Clicking on the left or right part of the screen moves between stories. And if you're watching the last story of a user, clicking next will take you to the next user's stories. No awkward stops, just a smooth flow. And here's where things get even more exciting. We have a 3D cube effect when switching between users. This makes the transitions feel much more interactive and visually engaging. But wait, what if you want to pause a story? Just tap anywhere on the screen and it stops. Tap again and it resumes. And if you're someone who prefers swiping, you can simply swipe left or right to switch between users. And the best part? This setup includes all the necessary callbacks for debugging, so you can easily add extra functionalities or modify the behavior however you like. This means whether you want to add analytics, custom animations, or even different transition effects, you have complete control. So in this video, I'll walk you through how this entire system works, from handling autoplay logic to controlling video playback and optimizing performance. By the end, you'll have a fully functional story viewer just like the ones used by social media platforms. So let's dive into the code and start building. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more UI development tips. Let's get started.